Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. And in this video, I am going to do just a quick unboxing of my favorite Louis Vuitton fragrance. I have tried quite a few fragrances from Louis Vuitton, and this by far is actually my favorite. And when I went to the Auckland store here in New Zealand, they gave me a couple of samples. Um, the first one is the Ombre Nomade, which is kind of like a more expensive version of the one that I bought, which is the Noveau Monde, and then they gave me the California Dream as well, which is pretty nice too. It's just that the Noveau Monde is my ultimate favorite. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's just a plain orange bag um, with a blue ribbon, nothing too fancy. And so the Novamond 100 ml bottle retails for about 490 New Zealand dollars, and so that's 265 US dollars. And then the Ombre de Mod, I don't know, for some reason, I feel like the Ombre de Mod is kind of like a more expensive or more premium version of the Novamond. So yeah, I don't know. For me, they're both um, pretty similar in terms of the notes, the wood and the incense. So that's just based on my observation. So this is the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. Just white, just a white box, and the Louis Vuitton branding, and yeah. And some people do buy the travel cases for the perfume bottles. They're really nice to have, in my opinion, especially if you're a fan of the monogram canvas or the classic monogram print. This will be a really good addition to your collection. But for me personally, I couldn't be bothered because I feel like the actual packaging is protective enough, and they're expensive. For about 900 New Zealand dollars, I feel like they're too pricey for what they are. Yeah, but this sort of protective casing is enough for me. It's thick enough. So that's what the bottle looks like. As you can see, it's yeah, the Novamont is in black font, and I had this bottle hot stamped with my initials in silver, and it looks really cool. I really like it, and I love how the actual bottle looks like a flask from a chemistry lab. It looks really cool and classic, and that lid, that black lid, looks very neat and elegant. So it's also magnetic. So some collectors of perfume or cologne bottles from Louis Vuitton, they sort of repurpose the lids and turn them into fridge magnets, which I think is a very cute idea. Yeah. So the reason why I really like this scent is because it just smells very sexy, and every time I spray it, I feel like I'm always in charge and I always mean business. So yeah, and also reminds me of my travels. In fact, I feel like the store, the Louis Vuitton flagship store in Paris, kind of smells like this, the Noveau Monde fragrance. So yeah, by the way, this bottle is refillable for like $100 less. So this is probably gonna last me a year, and then yeah, before I sort of buy a refill. But yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And it's been a while since the last time I posted the content because of my studies and my projects. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye and stay safe.